Hey everyone, it's Jim
and Charles
from Valves & More, an online vintage tube store. And today in Tube Lab number 272, we're going to just briefly talk about our new balanced preamp. The other title was A New Preamp is Born.
And if you want to know more about it, we're going to put up a more comprehensive video along with some audio clips over on the MTA channel, and we're going to link it down below for you.
Yeah. Now, after 7 months of work, multiple prototype variants, this is the final one, a production prototype, lots of critical listening, and lots of, setting up the store and boring paperwork like the bill of materials, which takes forever to do properly. We're finally releasing the new balanced preamp
To test builders.
Now, as soon as we ship the test builders and we start to hear back from them and they clear it, that's the main job of the test builders, is to make sure that there's no significant issues with the kit. Sometimes the test builders get the idea that they're testing to see if it actually works. Well, it's gone through so many iterations, and we've actually built one of the production versions, the first one, and we're going to immediately start building the next one when we film the build series. So yeah, it works. Not only does it work, but it sounds amazing. So as soon as the test builders clear it and catch any of the little tiny errors maybe in the BOM or
in the build series or something like that.
Yeah. I mean, the thing that test builders help out the most actually is with tricky spots in the assembly. We'll get notes back saying, well, why don't you try doing it this way? And often we'll end up incorporating those suggestions into future build series, or even modifying the existing one if it's really an important issue. So now this actual kit is only for advanced builders. It's got just enough tricky spots that a beginner would get into trouble, and even an intermediate builder might have problems. And
here's the PCB for it if you want an idea of how much you have to do.
Yeah, I mean, the component count is really large because in essence, at its core, this is essentially 2 preamps. It's a 4-channel preamp that handles the balance signals for a left and right channel. And it's also got a phase splitting circuit that takes an unbalanced pair of RCAs and turns that into 4 channels as well, and that merges into the XLR 4 channels. It's actually quite simple. It's harder to explain than it actually works. But because we've got, at one point in the amp, we actually have 8 channels of audio moving around, it takes a lot of circuitry to actually handle all those channels, a lot of coupling capacitors. So the board is big. The physical chassis itself is bigger as a result. And so if you're interested in any of our kits, but in particular if you're interested in the balanced preamp, we do what we call Probuilds. And one of us will build the best version of the kit possible. And because it gets a little bit boring for us, it's not a bad day when we have a kit to build, but after so many kit builds, it starts to get a little bit boring. I always try to challenge myself to build an even better version than the last version. We're talking about little tiny improvements, but if you can make an improvement and it doesn't cost anything, why not? So the script just hit the floor.
We tape it up just out of frame here, and it decided to let go.
Yeah. Now we actually don't follow the scripts slavishly. Is that a good word?
Yeah.
But it's good to have an outline. Anyways, what I wanted to say before I forget is the test builder list is full, but we almost always lose 1 or 2 test builders. So if you're a skilled builder and you'd like to become a test builder, the information is on the MTA site, which will be in a link below. as well as the main MTA video in which we talk about the functionality of the preamp and talk a little bit more about the design. I'll also put a link below this video. But if you're interested in being a test builder, go ahead and check out in the MTA store under information. There is just a little set of guidelines as to what's required to be a test builder, what to expect. All our test builders always get a premium free set of tubes as a gift, as a thank you. And because we've got 10 test builders on our list,
we're giving away 50 tubes.
We're giving away 50 tubes, which is, you know,
it's fair. Yeah.
Which is fair. It's but it's going to also be a lot of work because they have to be tested, they have to be matched, and we have to pay for them, of course. So yeah, so it's a big chunk of change. But test builders have always been a wonderful thing. I've noticed that actually the few kit companies that are out there in audio, they don't publicly do test building. They must do some private test building. I can't imagine releasing a product without somebody else,
some feedback there,
feedback, because it's been so important for us. It improves every kit that we bring out is always based upon all the knowledge that we've learned from the previous kits, and in most cases the changes are small improvements, and but all those iterations, it just means that everything just keeps getting a little bit better and a little bit better, which is the Japanese way of manufacturing, and eventually have essentially a perfect product. And then they just make it forever, which is our goal as well. Anyways, if you're interested, drop us a line and let us know, and most likely we have room for 1 or 2 more test builders if we lose some.
And like we said at the start, if you're interested in taking a closer look at this and having a listen, through both the XLR and the RCA inputs, we're going to have a few tracks, and pop on over to MTA and we'll see you over there in a few minutes.
This is Jim
and Charles
signing off. Cheers, everyone.